Don't you think that time is passing really quickly nowadays? Like, I could just stare at this wall and the hours would just pass by.
Weren't you procrastinating all day?
Yeah, I was on TikTok.
So yeah, you were procrastinating.
Listen, if I really wanted your criticism and your little sassiness, I would have just talked to this wall.
Hey, you wanted my opinion,
same
right?
response.
Giving you my opinion. You asked for it. Deal with it. Wait. They're here.
Who?
The viewers.
Where would the
They're
people
here.
be?
It has to be right there. Look.
Hey, hope you guys enjoyed that little sketch I made. It's you know, the other Steven, he's a little cuckoo, you know. But anyway, having him around is pretty fun, to say the least, I think. Or maybe this whole thing is making me go crazy. But yeah, anyway. So, today, I'll be showing you one of the more raved skincare products that a lot of people online, a lot of people on TikTok have been raving about. It's this. If you haven't heard of it, it's called The Ordinary. They have a great line. Their line of skincare is pretty good. This is one of their most popular products as well. It's this. I don't know if you can see, it's the BHA Peeling Solution. This is different. This is basically a solution of 2 highly concentrated acids. And you're not supposed to put it on for more than 10 minutes. And also, when you first start, you're supposed to put it on for around 5 minutes or so. It's recommended for you not to do the full 10 minutes. And it's also recommended for you to test spot on your face or so, because you don't want to put it all over your face, find out that you're allergic, or find out you have a bad reaction, or find out that you're really sensitive, or find out something horrible happens. And especially since it's red, you can't really tell. So you want to be careful. So first time you use it, little dab, it's a little dropper of sorts, and put it on your face, put it on the areas that you feel like need an exfoliation, and just rub it in, smooth it out. Don't rub it like a physical exfoliant, but just rub it in softly to the areas that you want. Any areas that you just recently shaved, like for me, let's say I do have a mustache, or if it's not growing in and I just shaved, you should not put in that area because it's sensitive and it will have somewhat of a bad reaction to it. This is my headband to push all my hair out of the way, you know. People have some cute ones, like it's like a little rabbit, but I just need a plain headband. If it looks weird, it looks weird. Anyway, I'm opening it, and it's this deep red color. Here you see. It's very similar to a lot of the vampire facials that Kim Kardashian is using and showing online, but it's nothing similar to that. It's just 2 acids together that melt off any dead skin. As you can see. So basically, the way you use this is fill it up halfway. Be careful not to drop it anywhere on your face. And you just do it like this, like right here. I'm looking in a mirror right now just to make sure. So right there, right there, right there, right there. Oh. Looks scary, but you know, just rub it in. You gotta look in the mirror just in case, so because I can't see. Alright, so you just rub it in. Smells like fruit, like fruit acid. I don't know if you've been squeezing any sort of like dark cherry and letting it sit, but that's the smell that you get from it. So you just rub it in. So since I have a red face type of thing, I don't want to touch my headband. I really don't want to get it dirty. It's so velvety smooth that I'd rather not get it dirty. This is it. That's it. If you can see, it's all red. So the rule of thumb of this is first time try for 5 minutes, and then the second time you would do 6 minutes. So every single week or every single time that you use it, it's supposed to add 1 more minute to it before you wash it off. So since this is my second time doing it, I'll be doing it for 6 to 7 minutes. And once you put it on, this is how it is. You're gonna feel a tingling sensation. It's fine, don't worry. However, the tingling becomes a burning, like it's like itching fire, like you just went to the bathroom and you wiped really bad, horrible pain. Yeah, no, you definitely wash it off, but make sure you put it on like this. It's definitely recommended for you to wash your face before this, and also pat your face dry. Once you wash it off right after 6 minutes, you'll feel it. You can feel the smoothness of your skin. It's nice. I definitely recommend it. And once you finish this, you should definitely continue your skincare regimens. And there's a lot of good reviews on it, so pretty good. And it's also much cheaper than the vampire facial, because who wants to get needled and who wants to use blood? So let's keep it this way. Oof. Time is done. Finally I can take this off. My little headband. And yeah. So hopefully you can see this is my skin right now. Put on some more light. So see here that it glows a little bit. So this skin is really soft right now. And this too. So it basically strips the dead skin off and it leaves this smooth layer on top of smooth skin. And then you know what happens when you have all this smooth skin? You do your regimen and it feels amazing. So hopefully when I wake up tomorrow morning after my mask and my regimen is done, it stays pretty. So as you can see, it's real good. Definitely do recommend. It's not that expensive. It's pretty cheap actually. It's like $10. If you go in person, it's $7 actually. If you order it online, make sure you fit some sort of shipping goal, and then or buy yourself a headband, and then perfect. So definitely, I recommend it. It rejuvenates this area, especially if you have blackheads. So if it removes the dead skin, skin turnover time is much quicker. It will remove the pores and remove the dirty stuff in there. So eventually, as long as you use this and you clean your face and you do your regimen, your skin should be softer, should be clearer, should be smoother, should be whiter, should be brighter, and you know, add it to your regimen. It's pretty good. Definitely don't use this more than twice a week. All right, so just do it, then wait for another week. Shouldn't be doing any sort of other scrub either, and should be good. All right, so I have a lot more other videos coming out. I do have a clothing haul coming up, if my clothing will ever come from China or Korea, wherever the clothing is coming from, but soon it should be here. I have a discount with YesStyle clothing, so if you want to go to YesStyle, buy some of their cheap clothing. The quality is pretty good. This shirt is actually from there. I actually got one in my order, so it's not bad. It's really nice. It's not like the usual polo. It's like without the collar, and it looks nice. You know, it fits well. Just make sure you buy correct sizes. So if you want to use my code, it'll be right here. It's hey there 123. I know, could have been my YouTube name, but for some reason I don't know. I wasn't thinking about doing YouTube when they sponsored me. But anyway, regardless, it's hey there 123 right here, if you can see. And be sure to give this video a like, comment, or subscribe. If you have any other questions, I'll try to do more. I have a lot of skincare in my cabinet, so I'll probably go through them entirely, and hopefully you like them. Alright, take care. I'll see you soon.